Mga business partner natin dito, sila yung may mga full-time job. Mas pinili nilang magnegosyo habang nagtatrabaho sila. At now, nagkaroon na sila ng result. Panoorin natin kung magkano na ang kinita nila dito sa ating negosyo.
Ma'am Julieta Cortesano from Singapore. Welcome to the 20,000 Club.
Congratulations!
Ma'am Alma Manalang from Singapore.
Congrats, Ma'am Alma!
Congratulations naman kay Sir Dari Bilog from
Yes.
South Korea. Deilani
Congrats, Ma'am
Club.
Kay!
KTK Club. Coach Sir John Denver La Pastora.
Congratulations!
Sir Edwin Gamboa, welcome to the 200,000 Club. Ma'am Rolita Tabucano, part of 2,000 Club. Congratulations.
Congrats,
Coach
Ma'am Ro!
Si Ma'am Miss Cristina Descalzo, welcome to the 200 Club. And we also have Rachel Shing from Singapore. Welcome to the 120,000 Club.
Kaya kung gusto mo maging part ng ating business, i-PM mo lang ako para makapagsimula ka na dito sa ating negosyo.